Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sanaa from So Crafty Sanaa, and I am back with my cash stuffing for June the 24th, 2024. So let's get into my cash stuffing. The first thing we are going to do is I did my payday budget. I am going to be stuffing $800 between my wallet, my cash variable spending, my sinking funds, and my savings challenges. So let's jump right in. Okay, so you guys, this is the beautiful Zippy Luxe wallet, you guys. The payday budget book. Clap, 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 clap. Yes. So anyway, let's get into it. First things first, let me go through my wallet and see what I am going to have left over for my variable spending in order to stuff in my, let's see what I have left over from my last week's spending. Me money has nothing. Dining out has $1. I'm just going to write that down. Dining out has $1. Car maintenance has nothing. Gas is a sinking fund. And I have, let's see, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. I have $80 left over in gas. That's going to remain because I keep money there. Groceries has some money left over. We have $7 left in food. That's going to roll over. And let me just put $6.14. That's going to go to buffer. I'm going to minus 7, and that leaves me $0 there in groceries. Household has $2 left over. So not too much, but I'm going to minus the $2. That's going to give me $0. That's going to go to buffer. Giving has nothing left over, and buffer has $35. So this is, let's see. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have $10 left over from my rollovers. That's going to go into my buffer. So whatever I have left over in my wallet, I just add to my buffer. Whew. So that's plus 10. That's going to leave me 45. And this is from rollovers. And I just write that there, 614. So I have 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So this is extra spending money that I can use or I can put to my savings challenges. All right, so let's stuff my wallet. I am going to be getting $100. So I'm going to give myself 5 20s, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So I'm going to give myself $100 for my weekly spending. So I'm just going to add that there, 100. And that's 614. Okay, and let's see. Dining out is going to get $60. I am going to do 3 20s for dining out. And let's see, plus 60. Oh, wait, let me just minus that 1. Minus 1, 0, plus 60. That leaves me with $60. And I just like to write the date. Now, what I do is during the week, I write my spending because I'm spending with my credit card, you guys, to get my cashback rewards. And I just write on my expense tracker to keep the amount so that I don't go over. Car maintenance is going to get its usual $10 for tips at the car wash. I keep saying I'm going to slow up on the car wash, but we'll see. I hate for my car to be dirty, and the pollen is just like, I can't take it. I have to go to the car wash. I really do. Gas is going to get $60, so that is 3 20s. Okay, so gas is going to get $60. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 110, 120, 130, 135, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So I now have 140 in gas. So I added 60, that's 140. And for the first time, you guys, I filled up my tank for the first time, and it literally was $98. That's a first. It's always close, but I literally almost hit $100. But that gas station was very expensive. So from now on, I'm going to use my Gas Buddy app, and I'm going to find the cheapest gas station closest to wherever I am. I'm not doing that ever. Groceries is going to get $200. So we have 50, 100, 150, 200. And I'm going to do meal planning, you guys, and I'm going to make sure that I stay well within my budget for food for the week. Okay, because I want to start putting more money to debt. And for my June 14th paycheck, I am actually putting $2,000 toward debt. I'm putting $3,000 back into my bill account. I'm doing $800 for my cash envelope spending. So, and then my Fidelity, I did have some money going into my Fidelity, but that covered my weekly paycheck. So, groceries, household is going to get $25. I don't recall needing too many household items, but I'm giving myself 25 because I'm not sure if I'm over something. So, or if I'm going to need something. So I just want to give myself that $25 there. Giving is going to get $15. And this is, again, giving. Actually, I want to do 3 5s because it's easier to, nope, I'm not going to do 3 5s. I'm just going to do 15. And I'll get 5. I'll get change from somewhere else. So I'm going to do 15 for giving. And that's just for whatever. It could be tips. It could be whatever. It's all charity. So, and that is it for my wallet. Now I'm going to stuff a few sinking funds. So Selfie is going to get $135 because my hair appointment was a little bit more than anticipated. Because I'm adding some services to that. So I'm going to add $135 to that. So that is 100, 20, 35. And let's see. So we have 100, 150, 200, 250, 270, 280, 285. So that's going to be $285 there. And I don't think life insurance rollovers was 122. I swear I took money out of rollovers. Okay. So, all right, 122. Selfie. So life insurance for the kids. I am just covering for their next year's premium. So I'm just trying to be proactive. I'm going to put $20 in life insurance. And let's see what we have here. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 210, 220, 225, 230, 235, 240. So I added 20 and that's 240. And I should be good with, I don't know. I need to have by March $860. So we'll see. Oh, wait. Am I giving anything else to the kids' envelope? No. Let's see. Car insurance. Where's car insurance? I think car insurance is here. And you guys, these, the SKS logo binders, I don't know if you can see that there, but my logo is on the strap. Isn't it pretty? So yes, these are for sale on the website as well. So let's see. And if you guys missed my 50% off sale, if you haven't joined my mailing list, please make sure you join my mailing list because I might do another flash 50% off. It was fun, except for the one lady who freaking purchased days before, and then I had to sell, and then she's like, oh, if you don't give me my money, I'm filing a claim. If give me the 20% off, cancel the order. I don't do all that. File your claim, whatever you need to do. Just don't even patronize me. Block, because I can't deal with that type of ignorance, okay? Respect the policies of small businesses. Like, I wouldn't dare do something like that. If I purchased days before and then they had a sale, if it's all sales final, it's all sales final. Like, what are you going to do? I have sales all the time. I just, that part of the business is really, really challenging. Sometimes I have to consider just protecting my mental health. I do not need any additional stress over ignorance, period. So nonetheless, car insurance is going to get $20. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 5, 10, 15, 20. I am going to give an additional 20. I need to start putting more to car insurance. So yeah, I'm going to make car insurance a priority for the month of July. So that's $240 because I need to have $849 by, I have to look at that date and then I'll have to determine how much I need to start putting in this envelope. But I've been slow walking it, but I need to have my premium readily and available for when the next draw. Lawn care is going to get $20 because I think it's $50 a month for my lawn service. I need to, I had another, anyway, I need to give me a second. So this one isn't laminated, but I'm going to use this. So I did plus 10, and that was $10. And this is plus 20, so that's 30. And I need to pay my lawn care. I don't even know if that's going to fit in this envelope. Oh, yes, it is. So it comes out to, every time they come, is $25 just to keep the lawn, you know, looking presentable, trimmed up. So $50 for the month. So that is lawn care there. And let me go over to, oh, Jenna's in here too. So I wiped out all of her money. So I need to give Jenna $20. Start preparing for my next plus 20, 20. And start preparing. I do want to make sure that before the next 6 months, I want to have $500 in her envelope. So travel is in here too. Oh, let's see. I think travel is in here. No. Lawn care, debt, car insurance. Maybe travel is in this one. Oh, yes, travel is in here. So I'm going to give 20 to travel because I am preparing to travel. So I'm going to do 20, and that is going to be 150 in travel. So I really need to spruce this up because we're going on a little vacation in August, and I just want to have some additional money set aside for that. Okay, so I've stuffed all of my sinking funds. Let's see what I have left. I have 20, 40, 60. I'm missing something. 70, 80, 90, 95. So I think I'm going to add $20 to debt. I'm just going to put $20 in debt because I have $95 left over. So I'm just going to go ahead and put plus 20 and make that 58 to debt. And let's count that. 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58. Even though I'm making a debt payment out of my paycheck, I still want to just throw money in debt whenever I can and see how much I can accumulate on top of that. I know that probably doesn't make sense, so let me rethink that off camera. Because if I'm going to be bulk dumping debt, then what is the point? So I'm just going to put debt here, and I'm going to put 20. Alrighty, so first things first, my monthly savings challenge for June. It is very important that I complete June. So every cone is $5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. I'm going to put $40 in here. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. I am determined to save this money, you guys. And just so you know, these are erasable. When you use the Sharpie, if you spray some alcohol, they'll wipe right off. So I designed them so that you can reuse them over and over and over. Okay, so this will probably be the only challenge that I have completed, and it's not even done, but I still have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 more dollars, and I'm done for June. Now, July is $30 a star. I'm not even going to lie. So 30 times 25, that's $750. Can I save $750 in July, y'all? I don't know, but I'm going to try. That's why it's called a challenge. If it was easy, it's not a challenge. So, alrighty. Next thing I have 10, 20, 30, 35. So I am going to do my $25 a week savings challenge because last week I did the $10. So I want to contribute $25. So in the back of the Payday budget book, as I explained, the challenges are in the back of every Payday budget book. You don't necessarily need the binder. You can use an envelope, but hey, I'm keeping track. So I'm going to grab my highlighter. And it says that I'm going to be on week 17. So I am going to 10, 20, 25. I'm going to do $25 here. So $25 on week 17. That's not bad. That's $425 saved so far, just in this alone. So I'm just going to highlight that I did that. So that's there. Okay. Now, I have $10 left. So my favorite savings challenge, you guys, is my 600 ways to save. I only have $10. So there are several challenges that I could give this money to. The first one is, now this one is 100 under $5. So all of these envelopes are under $500. I could do 2 5s, but I'm not going to do that. This one is 100 over $5, but under $10. So I could easily grab a $10 here and put that in. But let's go to this one. 100 under $25. So all of these are under 25. So I could find a 10 here. So I'm going to look. Now this is over 50. So everything's under 50. So yeah, it's a 10 on here too. And this one is 100 over 25 under 50. So I can't do that one. And this one is all over $50. I can't do that one. So I could I have 3 different 100 savings challenges within this book that I could put this $10 in. So which one am I closer to completing, actually? I can't tell. But I want to do them all. If you save the entire book, it's $15,685. So I am going to, I don't have that many X's here. So I'm going to mark off the $10 here. And then I am going to put that $10 in this envelope. Now I do sell these with the zip envelope pouches as well. I was trying out the zipless just to see, but I may switch it over and do, for these, the opening at the top. You know, the money can fall out either way, right? But that's if you're carrying them around. So that's it. I have stuffed $800 between my cash envelopes and my sinking funds. Please check out So Crafty Sanaa for all your budgeting needs, the Payday budget book, savings challenges, cash envelope binders, cash envelope wallets, and just hit your girl up if you need it. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.